Exercise 7.2, sum number 9. The average number of phone calls per minute into switchboard of a company between 10 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. is 2.5. Find the probability that during one particular minute there will be subdivision 1 no phone at all, second subdivision exactly 3 calls, third one is at least 5 calls. This is the problem. Once again read the sum. The average number of phone calls per minute is into the switchboard of a company between 10 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. So in between 10 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. average number of calls can be taken as 2.5. This is the probability value. Find the probability that during one particular minute there will be subdivision 1 is probability of no phone call, probability of exactly 3 calls, probability of at least 5 calls. This is the statement of the sum. Solution. The average calls between 10 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. is lambda equal to 2.5 is already given. So the Poisson distribution formula P of x equal to x e power minus lambda power x by x factorial. So first subdivision is probability of no phone call at all. So probability of x equal to 0. First subdivision is probability of no phone call. So no phone call means probability of x equal to 0. So instead of applying the formula e power minus lambda power x by x factorial. So e power minus lambda power 0 by 0 factorial. E power minus lambda, anything by 0 is equal to 1. 0 factorial is 1. So answer is 0.0820. Second subdivision, probability of exactly 3 calls. So x can be replacing by 3. E power minus lambda cube by 3 factorial. So e power minus 2.5 into 2.5 whole cube by 3 factorial. So e power minus 2.5 is 0.0820 into 2.5 whole cube by 3 factorial is 3 into 2. The final result is 0.2137. The third subdivision, at least 5 calls means 5 or more than 5 calls. This means that 5 or more than 5. So probability of x greater than or equal to 5. The property is 1 minus probability of x less than 5. So 1 minus probability of x less than 5 means we have to take from 0 to 4 up to 4. 0 to 4. To neglect 5. 0 to 4. So p of x equal to 0, x plus x equal to 1, plus probability of x equal to 2, plus probability of x equal to 3, plus probability of x equal to 4. 1 minus probability of x equal to 0 means e power minus lambda power 0 by 0 factorial. Again 1 means e power minus lambda power 1 by 1 factorial. And 2 means e power minus lambda square by 2 factorial. 3 means e power minus lambda cube by 3 factorial. 4 means e power minus lambda power 4 by 4 factorial. So 1 minus, result is 1 minus e power minus lambda is taken as outside for all the terms. So 1 plus lambda square by 2 factorial is 2 into 1. Lambda cube by 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. Lambda power 4 mean by 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 1 minus e power minus lambda into 1 plus lambda square by 2. Lambda cube by 6 plus lambda power 4 by 24. So 1 minus lambda value is 2.5. So 1 plus 2.5. 2.5 whole square by 2. 2.5 whole cube by 6 plus 2.5 whole power by 24. So 1 minus e power 2.5 into 1 plus 2.5 plus 3.125 plus 2.604 plus 1.627. So 1 minus 0.820 into 10.8566. The final answer is 0.1089. So this is the solution of the problem number 9. Again, question number 11. Assuming that a fatal accident in a factory during the year is 1 by 1200, calculate the probability that in a factory employing 300 workers, there will be at least 2 fatal accidents in the year. Given e power minus 0.25 is 0.7788. The exponential value is given, e power minus 0.25 is 0.7788. This is the question. Once again, read the problem. Assuming that a fatal accident in a factory during the year is average number of accidents can be taken as 1000, so 1 by 1200. So this is the probability. Calculate the probability that in a factory employing number of workers is 300 workers, there will be at least 2 fatal accident. Our aim is to calculate at least 2, there will be at least 2 fatal accidents. So number of workers are given and probabilities are given. So we have to compute lambda value. So probability value is 1 by 1200 and number of workers is 300. So lambda equal to NP formula for Poisson distribution. So lambda equal to NP means n value 300 into 1 by 1200, value is 0.25. Lambda equal to 0.25. Only one thing is there, at least 2 fatal accidents. Probability of at least 2 means probability of x is greater than or equal to 2. Applying the property 1 minus probability of x less than 2. 1 minus probability of x less than 2 means we have to consider only 0 and 1 to neglect 2. So probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 1. 1 minus probability of x equal to 0 means e power minus lambda power 0 by 0 factorial. We have to take 1 e power minus lambda power 1 by 1 factorial. 1 minus e power minus lambda, anything by 0 is equal to 1, 0 factorial is 1, e power minus lambda into lambda. 1 minus e power minus lambda is taken for both terms into 1 plus lambda. 1 minus e power minus 0.25, lambda value is 0.25 into 1 plus lambda value is 0.25. So 1 minus 0.7788 into 1.25, 1 minus, multiplying these two terms, 0.9735. 1 minus 0.9735 is 0.0265. This is the final answer.